Understanding Childhood Obesity, a call to action for faculty and staff. Introduction to childhood obesity. Childhood obesity is a significant health issue affecting our students today. Here are a few statistics. According to the CDC, childhood obesity has more than doubled in children and quadrupled in adolescents in the past 30 years. Although schools could potentially have a large impact on determinants of obesity, results of studies examining school-based obesity interventions have been variable. A review of these studies found that strategies aimed at younger children had better long-term results than those focused on adolescents, which may suggest that eating and physical activity behaviors are more difficult to change as children get older. This is why it's extremely important to begin the prevention at the elementary level. Statistic number 2 states, in the United States, approximately 1 in 5 school-aged children ages 6 to 19 is obese. Statistic number 3, obesity in childhood is linked to a higher chance of obesity, premature death, and disability in adulthood. Number 4, childhood obesity increases the risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. The main problems that are associated with childhood obesity include health risk, academic impact, social challenges, and emotional consequences. Some health risks include increased risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and asthma. The academic impact includes higher absenteeism rates and lower academic performance due to health-related issues. Some social challenges are greater likelihood of experiencing bullying and social isolation. Emotional consequences include higher rates of depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Although schools can play a huge role in the prevention of childhood obesity, not all factors are something that we can do to prevent obesity in schools. Some risk factors are beyond our control. They include family factors, socioeconomic factors, psychological factors, and certain medications. Promoting health education in the classroom. Integrate nutrition education. Include lessons on healthy eating habits, the importance of balanced diets, and the long-term benefits of good nutrition. Interactive learning. Use activities like cooking demonstrations, gardening projects, and interactive games to teach about nutrition. Collaborate with health professionals. Invite dietitians or health educators to speak with students about healthy lifestyles. And provide resources. You can share educational materials and resources with students and parents about how to maintain a healthy diet. There are many programs available to classroom teachers, and schools can promote to use health education in the classroom. One such program is a new initiative, Make Every School a Health Promoting School, through the development of promotion of global standards for health promoting schools. The initiative will serve over 2.3 billion school-aged children and will contribute to the WHO's 13th General Program of Work target of achieving 1 billion lives made healthier. Another option is Kids Health in the Classroom. It's a program available to teachers that offers free health-related lesson plans for pre-K through 12th grade. Each teacher's guide includes discussion questions, classroom activities, and extensions. Printable handouts and quizzes and answer keys are all aligned to the National Health Educational Standards. We also have a program for 3rd graders where we have someone coming from the Extension office to help with teaching children about healthy eating habits. Addressing obesity in school. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted students' routines and access to school environment. Children gained weight at a faster rate during the pandemic compared to pre-pandemic, with younger school-aged children 6 to 11 years old experiencing a rate of the BMI change that was 2.5 times greater than before the pandemic. Schools are a priority setting for obesity prevention efforts because they reach the vast majority of school-aged youth, provide regularly scheduled opportunities for physical activity, and offer nutritious meals through school meal programs. Children require at least 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity each day. Schools can help prevent obesity by offering quality and more physical education for all grades every day. and by promoting physical activity throughout the school day. But according to the U.S. Government Accounting Office, which reviewed the most recent national data, physical education instruction time has decreased in the U.S., and only 4% of elementary schools, 8% of middle schools, and 2% of high schools in the U.S. offer daily physical education. However, that is not a problem for us at our school because we provide physical education for 40 minutes every day. Addressing obesity in school continued. A comprehensive approach is effective at addressing childhood obesity in schools, especially for elementary and middle school students. Scientists know less about what school-based obesity prevention programs are effective for teenagers. A comprehensive approach means directing attention to nutrition and physical activity in schools and even involving school nurses, parents, caregivers, and other community members in the process. This approach aims to support the health and well-being of all students. It does not single out students according to their weight status or body size. Keeping kids active during the school day. Physical activity breaks are important. You can incorporate short activity breaks between lessons such as stretching, jumping jacks, or yoga. There are also various websites and apps, including Go Noodle and others. Active learning. Using standing desks, active seating, and movement-based learning activities. Recess and PE. Ensure students have ample time for recess and physical education classes that encourage various types of physical activities. Outdoor lessons. Conduct classes or activities outside to promote movement and physical engagement. An outdoor classroom is a great place to go to promote these outdoor lessons. The school's mission. One of the main avenues that schools can use to positively affect health is also one most directly in line with every school's mission, educating students. Nutrition and physical activity lessons can be woven into the curriculum in core classroom subjects such as physical education and after-school programs. To teach skills that help students choose and maintain healthy lifestyles. In addition to teaching evidence-based nutrition and activity messages, school physical education should focus on getting students engaged in high quality and regular activity. Emotional and spiritual issues surrounding childhood obesity include emotional well-being, spiritual health, positive reinforcement, and community and belonging. Emotional well-being. Obesity can significantly impact a child's emotional health, leading to feelings of shame, guilt, and worthlessness. Spiritual health. Encouraging practices that promote self-worth and positive body image, such as mindfulness, meditation, and self-acceptance exercises. Positive reinforcement focuses on students' strengths and achievements rather than their weight. Community and belonging. Foster a sense of belonging and support within the school community to help students feel valued and included. Conclusion. Call to action. Faculty and staff play a vital role in addressing childhood obesity by promoting health habits, supporting emotional well-being, and creating a positive school environment. Collaboration is key. Work together with parents, health professionals, and community to support our health and success of our students. One thing that we do well is Peer Helpers and PATH program that teaches these classes to each student in grades K through 6. And we also work with parents and health professionals in the community to help support our students to help have a positive school environment. If you have any questions, you feel free to contact me anytime. You can email me, you can call me, whatever way that you choose to get in touch with me is fine. Also, you can look at the handout that I have given you. It has lots of references from the PowerPoint that we just discussed. After you've looked at that, if you have any questions or concerns, you can direct those to me. Thank you.